In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your domain from GoDaddy to SiteGround while keeping your subdomain funnels active. This is important if you're using landing pages, funnels, or custom subdomains for your business and want to avoid downtime during the transfer process. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the official SiteGround website. Once the homepage loads, click the Login button located near the top right corner of the screen. Now sign in to your SiteGround account using your email and password. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one and choose a hosting plan before continuing. After logging in, you'll be taken to your SiteGround dashboard. From here, locate the website section. This is where you manage all of your hosted domains and website settings. Next, click Site Tools or Website Settings next to the website where you want to connect your domain. This will open the management area for your hosting account. Now, before transferring the domain, it's very important to make sure your subdomain funnels are documented correctly. If you're using subdomains for sales funnels, landing pages, or email campaigns, take note of all existing DNS records and subdomain settings inside your GoDaddy account. Next, open a new tab and go to the official GoDaddy website. Sign in to your GoDaddy account and head over to the My Products section. Find the domain you want to transfer and click Manage DNS. Here you'll see all your DNS records including A records, CNAME records, and subdomain configurations. Make sure your funnel-related subdomains are copied exactly as they appear. This is important because you'll need to recreate or verify these DNS settings inside SiteGround after the transfer begins. Now return to SiteGround and look for the Domain Transfer option. Enter your domain name and follow the prompts to begin the transfer process. Before the transfer can start, you'll usually need to unlock the domain in GoDaddy and obtain the authorization code, also known as the EPP code. You can find this inside your GoDaddy domain settings. Once you enter the authorization code into SiteGround and confirm the transfer request, the process will officially begin. During the transfer period, which can take several days, your subdomain funnels can remain active as long as the DNS records continue pointing to the correct services or servers. This is why preserving your DNS settings is extremely important. After the transfer is complete, double-check your DNS records and test all of your funnels and subdomains to ensure everything is still working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully started transferring your domain from GoDaddy to SiteGround while keeping your subdomain funnels active. Thanks for watching and goodbye.